Hello there, Namaste. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. Today, I thought I will take up a question which I am often asked by my Ho'oponopono students. The question is, after learning to experience the magic and the power of surrender, which is really letting go through cleaning that we do in Ho'oponopono, should we really encourage setting intentions? How do you handle an intention, an experience that you want to have, which you haven't had yet? How do you handle these thoughts of intentions? How do you handle thoughts that come to your mind which tell you, this is what I need to do, this is what I need to get, this is what I need to experience? Should you use, therefore, the power of your mind to consciously create something, or should you simply just clean on it? Firstly, it is a very, very relevant question, and I think this question needs some pondering from our end. We need to discuss this. So, let me try and be as clear as you can, and hopefully, it will answer your question and you will gain more and more clarity as you are cleaning. Well, for me, understanding what an intention is very important. Intention is a conscious thought. It's a thought which is going in a certain direction. For example, any thought that you're thinking in your mind actually is an intention, because that's the thought which is impressed as a picture in your subconscious mind, and this picture then goes out into the universe and brings you a like experience. So every thought is an intention. Now, how do we therefore handle thoughts that come to our mind? Well, the answer is simple. We clean on them. So, even if you catch yourself making an intention statement like, I would like to make so much of money this month, then clean on that statement. Write the statement down and try and do Ho'oponopono cleaning on the statement. Do this for at least 3 days. What will happen is either you will completely give up the need to keep that intention, or even without you consciously striving very, very hard to get there, you will notice how your cleaning will create circumstances where you will go closer and closer to feeling peace and happiness, whether the money comes or whether the money does not come. Cleaning will help you get to a state of peace. It will help you get closer and closer to what you would actually like to feel like. At the end of the day, why do we want a certain thing? Why do we want money? Why do we want success? Is because of the way it's going to make us feel. The magic of Ho'oponopono cleaning is it helps you feel like that even if you don't have what you exactly want at the moment. It still gives you that feeling. It takes you to an energy and vibration where you feel all is beautiful. And that is what we are looking at. So, catch yourself thinking thoughts, observe what you're thinking and clean on them. This is the best way to handle intentions. And cleaning, my friends, is the way to peace and freedom, to everything that you're looking for in your life. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste.